So that's her being serious. All right. So basically, like, you have to be 100% serious, bro. When you're thinking, just Rocky and fucking Dre, I know what manifest means. Just really focus on something that you want. Do not think bad. Like, do not even let a bad thought cross your mind while you're in the process of thinking about something that's valuable to you.
Okay.
You got it?
Gotcha.
Like, no direction for us. Yeah, but we went.
It's just this like general area.
We were gonna go there.
Okay. Land before time. Yo. Everybody be calling me Land.
Everyone like what?
They call me Land.
What do you mean land? What?
Just Land.
Somebody's house and they just like parked right there.
Oh, this is the remnants of a piano.
Yeah, there's fucking bugs out here.
There's so many bugs.
Big bugs.
Yo, these are like. Come on now.
What? What's this? They just rocks.
Now just have all those dead fish over there. Alright, relax.
Well, somebody be like, how's that?
Time to go.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, like honestly, if you see like say you seen this bitch like running through the water, she's freaking out. You see somebody like coming behind her. Are you gonna like stay and help her? Or are you gonna haul ass?
I'm gonna haul ass, bro.
I said, say like somebody's like running across the water, like help,
Running
help.
across the water.
Yeah, like they're like running in the water. Say it was shallow. All right, just for the sake of the conversation. Like niggas walking on water.
I'm walking on water. Help! Help! How do I stop this shit, yo?
Help yourself.
Hey yo, hey yo.
The concrete got in the water when Kanye and all his people was walking on the water.
Yes,
They
like,
said nah, like y'all didn't like already when y'all poured water over the concrete. Like relax.
Hey yo.
I just feel like before we leave, somebody's going to fall in there.
Oh yeah. Y'all wanna talk about what we was manifesting?
That means you're responsible.
I said this would be the perfect spot to smoke. But ain't nobody trying to travel all the way out here to have a little session.
But you don't worry about it. I'd rather worry too
Yo.
much than worry not.
Yeah, that's big facts. Nah, I work too much.
I don't give a fuck. Oh, well. It will be like a fucking vibe.
Yeah, I was about to say like this will be the perfect spot to smoke.
Watch for spider webs.
Yeah, we should have brought more weed. Fuck.
I ain't got weed either.
I don't think I would want to smoke here.
Out here.
You don't think
You get dumb
I'd
high,
like-
dumb
yeah,
paranoid,
dumb
yo.
fried. Oh,
You hear exactly. You hear shit, be like, yo.
I mean maybe
yo, we do. Might be on acid.
yo being here on
You got
acid
me
like
something?
honestly it might not be as lit.
Whoa, hey.
Nah, but honestly, it might not be as lit because you, like, honestly, on acid, you want to see different colors.
I think I would be scared for that.
I think this would be a better environment for shrooms.
Dog, it looks like.
I mean,
Yeah, I would say, like, that's not the same people that I thought, like,
dang, where Andre at? You better hurry your ass up, Dre, before you get left. Stop playing, yo. Where you at, Dre?
Yo, what if he just never answered?
That's what I'm saying, yo. For real, like, bruh.
just casually just walking.
One by one, we started.
One by one, we start disappearing. Hey, yo, you better stop
The
playing,
dumbest thing
nigga.
that they do in movies is that when they're trying to like fight against something that's trying to kill them, they split up.
Yeah.
I said that is
Yeah.
the dumbest decision you can ever
Absolutely.
do. Oh, we can cover more ground
Because
because
then
split
somebody
up.
not gonna come out of it.
Exactly, like,
Somebody gonna get the fuck
For
out.
real.
and then one by one, y'all just dropping off. Like,
Hey, yo. What's that? Oh, I dropped it. Edit, yo, edit that
now
part
they know
out.
we got it.
Nah, they don't know. They don't know. It's cool.
Oh, I didn't. Bro, watch for Dookie.
He said, watch for Dookie. Hey, yo.
ATVs, I think, racist. Coming to kill me.
What about when niggas ride four-wheelers, yo?
Them,
Yeah.
and I think of the drug cartel now too.
Yo, I watch
Like,
I
around
watch a
here.
lot of drug cartels like on Netflix though, so it won't really be like the real deal. But I really like niggas be
Bro.
looking busy, like. Maybe even
You almost, damn, how you got the Nikes and the shit?
Oh, that's nothing. Oh my gosh, it'll be a nice little spotlight. You know, little picnic.
Bro, imagine dinosaurs taking shits that big.
Bro, big facts. Big facts, yo. Yo. No, I'm trying to be on Nature Geographic shit, and then I look at Dre, he say, imagine taking. Hey, yo.
Like, you know how much that joint might go for him? Poor hard, like.
Wait, what?
Went to church with my sister.
Yeah, we talking about
having
dinosaur.
sex
Wait,
over there after the picnic.
bro. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. I'm cracking up.
Having a picnic.
You ain't got no aim.
I don't care. That's bro. Keith said, bro. The one day I was chilling with Keith, he was like, bro, look at all these branches on a tree. He was like, yo, tell me which one you think is the strongest. I was like, bro, I don't even know. Like, are we talking about side branches or twigs? He was like, bro, what branch you think is the strongest on the tree? And I picked shit ass branch out. Cause I'm like, bro, you really can't tell, like, which one of these is really the strongest.
No, let me get the close up, yo. These Johns is crazy. Look, these Johns go for miles.
And he was basically like, it don't matter which branch you think is the strongest, cause they all pulling their own weight.
Nice. I like that analogy. That's kind of like us, bro.
Exactly.
Bitch.
You furry
recording
bitch.
that?
Looking like your eyelashes.
Right, period.
Wait,
Was you recording that? Oh, I was saying, yikes, don't put
Don't make the block hot.
Okay.
come here, nigga.
I thought he recorded our old conversation.
Go
I didn't think we was
rando
gonna be in the
nodding.
woods.
Well, she brought the white Crocs to go rando
I
nodding.
mean, no, like
Sponsorship, Crocs. Give her a sponsor. Oh, the one too. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Crocs, holla at my girl. Let her know what it is. Let her know what's up. We gonna get that bread.
Okay, I can bring all the college people to
Bro,
you.
for real. I think it's crazy how many people do be wearing Crocs now. Because they used to
I'm
clown
telling you,
them.
like I've been wearing Crocs. I went to boarding school,
Yeah.
so we would use these for like house shoes. They would say.
Yeah.
So I've been wearing these since I was like 8.
Don't worry, don't worry. Look, testimonials, Crocs. Testimonials.
My
Hey,
love
yo.
for Crocs is very deep.
Very deep. Very deep. How you doing?
She
Yeah.
likes Crocs.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Look.
look at that torch just like this.
No, that's just. I don't know what that is.
That was me.
Hey.